In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your team's workload and tickets in Jira effectively. Understanding how to monitor team assignments and manage tasks is crucial for maintaining high productivity levels and ensuring that resources are evenly distributed across your team. Today, we'll explore two distinct methods within Jira to achieve this. So let's dive right in. First, let's discuss the option of utilizing the assignee filter in the board view, which is a straightforward approach for those who prefer working directly within the task board. Start by navigating to your board. This is where you'll be making adjustments to visualize workload distribution. Once you're on your board, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Group. Click on this drop-down, and then from the options presented, select Assignee. This action allows you to filter tasks by a specific team member, providing a clear and immediate overview of their assigned tasks. With this filter applied, you can see all issues assigned to them, neatly categorized by status. This method is particularly useful for team leads or managers who want a quick snapshot of where each team member stands with their tasks. Now, let's move on to the second option, which involves making use of the workload report. This method is designed for those who need a broader view and more detailed analytics. To begin, click on Reports in the top menu. From the list of available reports, select either the Workload Pie Chart report, or, if you are using Jira Software Premium, the User Workload report. Both reports provide valuable insights, but the one you choose depends on whether you need a more visual representation or detailed user-specific data. Once you've selected your report, the next step is to set the filters according to your requirements. This flexibility allows you to tailor the report to focus on specific timeframes, projects, or teams. After configuring the filters to your satisfaction, click on the Generate Report button. This will produce a detailed view showing the workload distribution across the team. Reviewing this information can help you make informed decisions about reallocating tasks if some members appear overburdened, while others have capacity for more work. By choosing either to filter directly on the board or through the more comprehensive reporting tools, you can better manage team workloads and ensure that projects are progressing smoothly. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be able to navigate Jira like a pro, ensuring that your team's productivity remains optimal. Thanks for tuning in and happy managing with Jira.